Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A stunning modern outdoor living space seamlessly connected to a contemporary house. The design features clean architectural lines with a minimalist structure made of glass, concrete, and warm wood finishes. Large floor-to-ceiling glass panels reveal a cozy bedroom interior, softly lit to create a tranquil and intimate atmosphere. Outside, a wooden deck extends into a beautifully landscaped garden. A luxurious sunken hot tub with a built-in fire feature serves as the focal point, combining water and flame for a captivating effect. Surrounding the space are lush green plants, smooth stepping stones, and a comfortable outdoor lounge area with modern seating perfect for relaxing or entertaining. A serene floating cabin seamlessly integrated into a lush natural setting. The small modern house rests gently on calm, reflective waters, surrounded by large moss-covered rocks and dense green forest. The structure features expansive glass walls framed with natural wood, allowing uninterrupted views of the surrounding lake and trees. The cabin's roof and base are covered in vibrant green vegetation, blending the architecture beautifully with its environment. Inside, a minimalist bedroom with a low platform bed faces the water, creating a tranquil retreat that feels completely immersed in nature. A stunning modern house seamlessly integrated with lush greenery. The two-story structure features sleek black steel and glass facades that open up to a vibrant courtyard garden. Large windows and sliding glass doors allow natural light to flood the interior, creating a strong connection between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The design emphasizes biophilic harmony. Plants cascade from upper balconies, green walls adorn the living areas, and the courtyard includes a reflective pond surrounded by tropical foliage and stone pathways. Warm interior lighting enhances the sense of comfort and tranquility, highlighting the wooden textures and natural materials inside. A futuristic eco-friendly glass house nestled within a lush green forest. The structure features a sleek, curved design made almost entirely of transparent glass panels, allowing an unobstructed view of the surrounding nature. The interior is beautifully decorated with abundant plants, creating a seamless blend between architecture and the natural environment. Inside, modern furniture such as a cozy sofa, a dining table, and warm ambient lighting give the space a welcoming, organic feel. The walls and ceiling are lined with vertical gardens, while the roof is covered with dense greenery, enhancing the home's sustainability and insulation. A beautifully designed modern garden pathway adjacent to a contemporary house. The walkway is composed of large, flat stone slabs set within a bed of warm wood mulch, leading visitors through a serene and lush outdoor space. On both sides of the path, vibrant greenery and colorful flowers add life and contrast to the natural tones of the surroundings. The house exterior features a mix of natural materials, wood paneling, concrete, and large glass windows that blend harmoniously with the landscape. A cozy wooden deck extends from the house, furnished with a large, stylish stone basin that enhances the garden's tranquil atmosphere. Lush tropical plants, including bird of paradise and agave, surround the area, while a vertical garden with cascading orange blooms adorns the wooden wall, adding a touch of artistry. The soft, natural lighting filtering through the trees completes the peaceful, modern outdoor retreat. A beautifully illuminated modern garden walkway alongside a contemporary home. The exterior of the house features a combination of natural wood paneling and large glass windows, creating a warm yet sophisticated aesthetic. Soft amber lighting highlights the textured wood facade and casts a welcoming glow over the entire space. Along the walkway, large wooden barrels are creatively repurposed as planters, filled with lush greenery and flowering plants that add rustic charm and natural texture. The path itself is made of wide concrete slabs interspersed with gravel, leading visitors toward a pergola covered with trailing vines and twinkling string lights that enhance the romantic evening ambience. Lavender bushes and ornamental grasses border the path, adding color, fragrance, and a touch of softness to the clean architectural lines. The overall design combines modern elegance with natural warmth, creating a tranquil and inviting outdoor retreat perfect for relaxation or entertaining. A cozy and beautifully landscaped backyard garden designed for relaxation and privacy. The space features a modern outdoor seating area with a comfortable sectional sofa, ottoman, and a small side table, creating the perfect spot for lounging or socializing. The garden layout is thoughtfully organized, with a pathway made of square stone tiles set in smooth pebbles, leading from the entrance to the seating area. Lush greenery surrounds the path, including ornamental plants, low-growing shrubs, and elegant hostas that add layers of texture and color. Tall evergreen trees and neatly arranged wooden lattice fences frame the garden, providing both seclusion and a sense of natural enclosure. The house's exterior combines gray brickwork with warm wooden accents, seamlessly blending modern design with nature. Dappled sunlight filters through the trees, casting soft shadows and giving the entire garden a calm, refreshing atmosphere, a perfect retreat for outdoor living. A stunning modern hillside house surrounded by lush green mountains and dense tropical vegetation. The home is built on elevated steel supports, blending contemporary architecture with eco-conscious design. Large glass walls and sliding doors open up the structure, allowing for seamless indoor-outdoor living and breathtaking panoramic views of the natural landscape. The house features multiple levels connected by open terraces and balconies, furnished with cozy lounge areas, outdoor seating, and lush potted plants. Warm wooden panels and black steel accents give the home a sleek yet organic aesthetic. One section of the structure creatively incorporates a repurposed shipping container, adding an industrial touch that contrasts beautifully with the surrounding greenery. Set against mist-covered hills and vibrant foliage, this residence exudes tranquility and modern elegance, a perfect retreat harmonizing architecture and nature. A stunning modern coastal home built primarily from shipping containers, perfectly blending industrial design with natural surroundings. The two-story structure overlooks a serene ocean at sunset, with warm hues of pink and gold reflecting on the water. The house features an open-plan design with expansive glass walls that allow natural light to flood the interior. The upper floor includes a cozy lounge and bedroom spaces, while the lower level opens to a spacious deck with comfortable outdoor seating, a dining area, and a sleek kitchen. The combination of black steel, natural wood, and warm lighting creates a cozy yet contemporary ambience. Surrounded by lush greenery and palm trees, the home provides a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living, an ideal retreat for enjoying the tranquil ocean view and the beauty of nature. A beautifully designed open-air kitchen and dining area that perfectly merges modern architecture with the tranquility of nature. The space features a sleek, contemporary kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances, a large grill, an elegant black cabinetry topped with marble countertops. A rustic wooden dining table with a natural live edge sits at the center, surrounded by minimalist black chairs, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Overhead, exposed light bulbs with industrial-style fixtures add a cozy touch, while the wooden ceiling and floorboards maintain harmony with the surrounding forest. Large glass openings and an open layout allow natural light to flood the space, offering a seamless connection to the lush greenery outside. Majestic tree branches extend through the area, enhancing the organic feel and making it an ideal retreat for outdoor cooking, dining, and relaxation.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.